So I do want to go in. So I'd like you to, I don't want her recording what's in my bag, so can you look through my bag?
Yeah.
She's got her body cam on. No, I don't want her, like, pointing. I don't want her pointing. I'm not talking to you. I don't want her pointing her body cam in my bag. I had problems.
We're not going to put your body camera in your bag.
Yeah, but she's standing right up against it.
Here's the thing is, there's video recordings everywhere in this area, so it's not like you're not being recorded.
Yeah.
So if you'd like to go in, we have to search.
Yeah, and I had some problems.
Say again?
Last time. Like, I don't want her recording what's in my bag.
We're not going to record what's in your bag.
But she's got her body cam on. I want her facing. I don't want her looking at my bag.
What difference is it from that camera recording right there to the camera here?
Because you don't know what happened last time, right?
I know, but what I'm
I
saying
put it on
is,
YouTube. You don't know what happened, right? So you don't know the
but here's the thing is, if
background.
you want to go in,
She started up. They both started up their thing. Their sexual harassment thing. You know, like the sergeant, how he'll get started and gets her going. And they're doing all that stuff. And before that, they had looked through my bag, got my medical papers out, and the guy was waving it around, the sergeant dude.
okay. Well,
And so then he got it started. They're acting like they're nice, but
here's the thing is, if you want to go inside, you're more in, put your bag up there. We'll look through it. We're not going to record it. I'm not interested in reading your
but she's got her thing on. She's got her thing on over there.
Okay.
She's got her she's got her camera on.
Okay.
And then
let us know when you're ready to go through, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
See, do you get what I mean, right? No, you're not doing that's your job.
I wasn't here at the time that you were speaking.
Oh, no, last time I saw you, last time I was here. Not the last meeting. The one, I put it on YouTube, you know. Come on, girl, you know what's going on. Like, she's not professional, okay? I don't want her looking in my bag. I don't want her recording what's in my bag. Because they were making fun of what's in my bag last time. My medical papers, the guy pulled them out. Maybe she was recording it, I don't know. Because he pulled it up and waved it around.
Okay.
It's got my medical papers. He thought it was kind of funny. But then you're not talking about it. So you know what the issue is, right?
What's that?
So that's what, I think it's a special case, as I just described. You know, the concern. Like, you didn't actually address it. Not like you have to, but you just kind of like stays like that. So that's what's going on. Dude, if they ever do shit to you, she's not going to get away with it. Everyone's going to believe you now. Like your far-fetched story, like nothing's, they're going to know you're the one telling the truth now.
Understanding the population, over 200,000 residents, and we're under 8% commercial. And the city on size, we should be between 30 and 40%.
Oh, there she is.
This is a concern I have, because we lack so much land here for commercial property, is we can hold on to this and have a better opportunity for maybe a loan.
Fucking reap the reward.
Bigger to come.
Sorry about
This
that.
is what I've been torn about.
Can I sleep in your arms tonight, lady? It's so cold lying here all alone, and I have no home to hold on you. I sure you all do. You know the wrong. Make my attempt. This is a second. I get it. Someone's gonna be right behind us. Let me see. Maybe like right there. Go through this thing. All right, I'm ready to go in.
Okay, before you head in, you take everything out of your pocket, cell phone, keys, wallet. Front pockets, back pockets.
There we go, so that worked, right? This thing go in, right? She's gotta be right up on top. See what I do? This is just all an act. Right, you're so good. Wait, I gotta get that, see? Oh,
Hey,
dude.
Rachel.
Hold on.